What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. The wig that I'm installing today is from Unice Hair. Of course, their information will be in the description box below. So this wig is a 26-inch 180 density blend away lace wig. The closure is a 5x5 closure, so they pre-bleach the knots and they pre-pluck the hairline for you. And this is just the construction of the wig. So it's on a dome cap, and it has the adjustable straps right here. It has the comb in the back, and then it also has the ear cutouts on the sides on each side of the wig to make sure that the wig fits comfortable around your ears. So the lace on this wig claims to be undetectable, so we're going to test that out. If you're interested in seeing how it looks when I install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So first things first is the wig has this removable elastic band, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that. It comes separately from the wig this time instead of being included on the wig, but as you can see, it has the non-slip grooves at the bottom, those little wiggly lines, and make sure it doesn't slide. So it's really simple to install. You just slide it through the little holes on the sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to make sure it fits snug on my head like this. Now to prepare for my install, I already have my wig cap on. I'm using their HD sheer wig cap, and then I'm taking some of my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. I know you can see the pan at the bottom of this, don't judge me, but I'm taking my cream makeup and I'm just going to put it all along the little line of the wig cap just to color it in so that it blends in a little bit with my scalp. And now I'm going to go ahead and slide on the wig. I like to flip the wig upside down and put the wig band on first behind my head. And then I'm just going to make sure it fits comfortably on the sides like what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just going to flip the wig over backwards. And then I'm going to push the bottom comb into the back of my braids in the back and then flip the hair over. And immediately, as soon as putting this on, I can tell that this wig fits very, very snug. It fits comfortably around my ears, like what you can see right here. So the little ear cutouts work perfectly. And I can tell that this is going to be a good wig, like instantly. The lace doesn't lift on the sides at all. Like, it lays really flat. Like, I know I still have to blend the lace, but you can see even without doing any work right away that it's going to be a seamless blend. It's not lifting, it lays really flat, and it's snug, so I can tell it's not going to go anywhere. And then this is just what the curls look like in the back a little bit, just a view of the curls that they put in the hair. But first impressions is I really like how the wig sits on my head right away before I even do any styling. So that really lets me know that once I do style it, it's gonna really look nice. So because of how flat this wig lays initially, I decided that I want to try to install this wig without using any baby hairs. So the first thing that I'm doing now is I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray and my Edge Booster wax stick, and I'm just going to define like the parting space and just like push back the hairline a little bit with my hot comb just to make everything look smooth at the top before I style any more of the hair. I know usually I do baby hairs, especially like with wigs from Unice, but I feel like I definitely can get away without baby hairs, and I feel like it's gonna look really good, so I'm excited to try that out. Now to help blend the lace with my skin, I'm using this glueless grip spray from Erica J, and I'm just spraying it on the front of the lace to get rid of that white shadowy cast on the lace. And as you can see, it's like disappearing completely into my skin. I absolutely love this product. Then I'm just going to take the blow dryer to dry it in place, because I noticed that if you don't, it can leave like a little white cast. So I just want to make sure it's completely dry, and then I'm just going to wrap it with the wig band. Now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm combing through the curls that comes in the wig. You know, after being in a box and traveling for so long, you need to loosen them up a little bit. And I just want to see what the wave is looking like. And it's a nice, really pretty, flowy body wave. But I think I am going to redefine the curls a little bit more since they have been sitting. But I do like that you can wear the wig completely like this if you want to. Like, and now I'm just gonna cover the lace with some of my cream makeup, and then I'm gonna cut some of the layers, or some layers in the front of the hair with my scissors. To cut the layers, I like to part the hair just at the top, going straight back, like vertically, and then I take the scissors and I cut going away from my face. I cut my hair the same way all the time, and I do the same thing on each side. So now I'm just going to take my curling iron and put some curls back in the hair. Like I said a little bit earlier, this is my, I think it's like a 1.5-inch barrel. This is like my go-to. I use this one when I want like more of a looser wave. And I got this from like TJ Maxx, Marshall's, one of them. It's from the brand Hot Tools. They have it everywhere in those kind of stores. But I'm just going to take my hair and wrap it around the barrel going away from my face. I didn't put any like heat protectant spray or anything on it. I didn't even use any hairspray. I really just wanted to see how this hair holds a curl by itself without any like help from anything. So yeah. But yeah, so this is it. This is the final look of the wig. I absolutely love this hair. First and foremost, the wig is super comfortable and it's very sturdy. You can wear it completely gluelessly. The hair itself is really, really nice. Like, I love the texture. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding. I would recommend using hairspray if you want your curls to last a little longer, or if you want more of a tighter curl. But I didn't use any hairspray this time because I wanted a looser curl, and I definitely love how that looks. It's so flowy and bouncy, and it's really easy to maintain. The hairline on this and the lace on this is probably like the biggest like selling point for me, honestly, because the lace is really, really good. It blends so well, and y'all know sometimes I have trouble having the lace blend with my hairline and stuff, but this blended flawlessly, and I was very happy about that. But definitely check this hair out. All the information for the hair will be in the description box below, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.